Whenever you're fastening anything to a wall, it's always best to screw directly into the wooden wall studs because it's much stronger than just fastening to the drywall or the plaster. But sometimes you can't find a stud or you have to drill a hole exactly where you need it and it falls somewhere in between the studs. And for that, you need a hollow wall fastener. There's lots of different types. One of the originals and one of the most popular ones is called a toggle bolt. It's simply a machine screw with a toggle. This is called a toggle, which are these metal wings that are spring-loaded. And the idea is you drill a hole in the wall, you slip that in, and they pop on the back of the wall, and you tighten up the screw. Nice design, but there are several flaws, and I'll show you a couple of them right here. First, you need to drill a pretty big size hole, because even for this small screw, you need a large hole because you're not only putting the screw through the hole, you're putting this toggle. So let's say we drill a 1/2-inch hole, we're going to put it right here. So you drill the hole. Now look at the size of that hole for this size screw. Much too much slop, much too much space in there for this tiny screw. The other problem is, in order to use this, you have to attach whatever you're fastening to the wall, you have to attach it to the bolt first. Let's say we're attaching this cleat, a wooden cleat to the wall because we want to put a shelf on it or something like that. Well, imagine if this was 5 or 6 feet long, you had 4 or 5 of these toggle bolts. You have to line them all up at the same time and push it through. It's almost impossible to get it exactly where you need it. So that's a problem. And here's another problem. Let's say we got the hole, we got the toggle bolt, the fixture is attached, and we're going to put it in the hole. We can see even a 1/2-inch hole, it's pretty, wedge it in there. Okay? And this is what it looks like on the other side. Pops open, this pops open inside, and then you tighten it up against the back of the wall. In fact, whenever you're using a toggle, any kind of toggle, try to position it vertically when you pop it in the wall because it's much stronger than if it's horizontal. And then the final thing that's wrong with these traditional toggles, let's say you want to remove the screw, falls down inside the wall, and it's lost forever. So that's the problem with traditional toggle. So what's the solution? The solution is don't use these. Use a newer version called a strap toggle. Some people call them snap toggles as well. It's mostly a strap toggle. And it's simply a toggle. Again, you have the metal toggle with the threaded hole that takes the machine screw, and it has these 2 plastic straps. What you do is you just fold it like this and put it in the wall. And again, once you push it through the hole, it'll pop open. And again, try to position it vertically. Okay, so now it goes right inside the wall, then it has this collar. So you hold this ring, you slide the collar forward. Then you snap off these straps, and look at that, nice and tight, fills the hole completely. So now when you put in your screw, let me get my screw, it goes through on the back side. If you ever do want to take it off, take the screw out. There you go. The toggle remains attached to the back. It won't fall down inside the wall, and you won't lose it. Whenever you're drilling a hole in drywall or plaster, you can see the mess. That's just a 1/2-inch hole, and you see all that dust. And that's really fine dust. Vacuuming it up, it'll sometimes blow right through the vacuum filter and right back into the room. So here's a simple solution. Before you drill a hole, take a small paper bag and just tape it to the wall directly below where you're going to drill the hole. And usually, I use painter's tape because usually the wall is painted, of course, so you don't want to tear off the paint with any other kind of tape. So put the bag right below where you're going to drill the hole, and nearly all of that dust falls right into the bag. How cool is that? I'm Joe Truini, and we created this channel to help homeowners like you with all your home improvement projects. Please support the channel by liking and subscribing. Thanks a lot.